this laundry nook revamp is quick and easy with the help of Ryobi's One Plus range. I cut the bench to length with my Ryobi One Plus circular saw and then prepped for install using the One Plus hammer drill, securing the bench top in place with an impact driver. For the sinkhole, the 18-volt jigsaw was perfect for precise cuts, and the hammer drill with a hole saw bit, well, that handled the cut for the tap hole. Thanks to the 18-volt caulking gun, it was easy gluing the sink in place. Next up, the timber shelf made with a piece of leftover wood looked great after a sand using my One Plus orbital sander. I used the Ryobi stud finder to find the timber to secure the brackets into, then screwed the brackets on with an impact driver. To complete the install, the tiling was straightforward, with the Ryobi 15-meter green crossline laser helped maintain those straight lines, while the tile masonry saw ensures tiles can be easily cut to size. The caulking gun makes for seamless waterproofing, using silicone to tidy everything up. How good is that?